In this video, we will return to a case study of economic systems. Let's look at a test question. For example, under Fidel Castro's government, the following aspects were applicable to the Cuban economy. Housing was free, but no one owns a house because government owns all houses. Salaries are controlled by the government and not very high. Bread is cheap, but few cell phones are found, and it's determined by government policies. Using the three central economic questions, explain what type of economic system you think Cuba has. So the first thing is that the question asks you to refer to the three central economic questions. So we have to answer those. Remember, the first question is what goods and services are produced. In Cuba's case, we know that it is bread, but no cell phones. The second question is, how are goods and services produced? In this case, we read that salaries are controlled by the government and are not very high. So we know that this is through labor. And the third question that we have to answer is, for whom are the goods and services produced? In this case, in the first point, we read, housing is free, but no one owns a house because the government owns all houses. So for whom are the goods and services produced? The answer to this would be government. Now, think about our free economic systems. We have traditional, command, or the market. In this case, all three questions are answered by the government. So you say the three central economic questions are answered by the government or state. That means Cuba's economic system was a command economy. And that would be an example of how you could possibly answer a question like this.